Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Irfan Maulana Siddiq with my number 11970600037 from class 6E. Today I will present the types of rice for the main food crop cultivation course or budidaya tanaman pangan utama Simon with the lecture Miss Sofia Hasani MP. Rice or Oryza sativa. Rice is a food crop originating from two continents, namely Asia and West Africa, which have tropical and subtropical climates. Rice cultivation itself has been started since 3000 before century in Zhejiang, China. Purwono and Purnamawati 2007. Rice entered Indonesia brought by ancestor who migrated from mainland Asia around 1500 before century. Rice is the main source of carbohydrate for the most of the population in Indonesia today. Rice as a staple food can meet 56 until 80% of the calorie needs of the population in Indonesia, Sahari and Somantri 2016. In rice cultivation, there are various stages such as land preparation, seed selection, sowing, planting, fertilizing, plant maintenance, harvesting, and post-harvest. Purwono and Purnamawati 2007. In this presentation, I will discuss specifically about types or varieties. Type of rice by variety. Rice variety in Indonesia are grouped into three types, namely hybrid rice variety, superior rice varieties, and local rice varieties. Number one, hybrid rice varieties or varietas hybrida are types of rice plant variety that result from crosses between two or more population where the species and genetic are different. This variety can be said to be a rice variety once planted. The result will be maximized when planted once. Yield can reach twice that of local rice and have better grain with fluffier and fragrant rice quality. For the example, in Tani 1 and 2, Rokan SL8 and 11 SHS and the other. Number 2, superior rice varieties or varietas unggul are rice that is one level below hybrid varieties. The superior rice varieties can be planted many times with the same quality. The yield of superior rice can reach 8 until 10 tons per hectare. The advantage of this variety is that it is resistant to brown plant hopper pests. A example of this variety that are widely planted by farmer are Ciherang, IR64, Mekonga, Cimelati, Cibogo, Cisadane, and the others. Number 3, local rice varieties or varietas lokal are rice varieties that have long adapted to certain area so that this variety has location-specific characteristic in the area. Each variety has advantage and disadvantage. For the example of local variety, Gropak or Kulon Progo, Indramayu, Dharma Ayu, Sri Muli, and the other. Type of rice based on the rice produced. Number 1, glutinous rice or beras ketan has a sticky texture and it's not used as a staple food. The variant of glutinous rice include red, white, and black sticky rice. Number two, fragrant rice or padi pandan wangi has a fragrant characteristic. For example, fragrant pandan rice or padi pandan wangi. Number three, padi or padi perak has a springy texture or is slightly hard when cooked. This texture comes from the high amylose content. Amylose content that produce a spring texture of at least 25 percent for the example in pari 12, in pari 1, and in pari 3. Number 4, fluffy rice or padi pulan has the characteristic of fluffier rice. Fluffy texture comes from amylopectin, which is high in rice, and amylose content is below 25%. For the example, in pari 13 and Ciherang. The following is an example of an image of the type of rice based on the rice produced. On the left, there is sticky rice or beras ketan. Then there is fragrant pandan or padi pandan wangi. Then padi or padi perak, and finally fluffy rice or padi pulan. Type of rice based on its cultivation technique. Number 1, upland rice or padi gogo is rice that is not planted in paddy field but planted in the garden. Upland rice has the advantage of not needing special irrigation. In addition, this rice can also be applied to an intercropping system with corn or cassava. Number 2, swamp rice or padi rawa is rice that is often grown in paddy field. This rice requires standing water, so it needs to be irrigated consistently. The following is an example of an image of the type of rice based on its cultivation technique. On the left is the process of upland rice cultivation or padi gogo, and on the right is the process of cultivating swamp rice or padi rawa. And this is the bibliography. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.